Welcome to Esplanade at McKinnon Groves and Winter Garden, a brand new luxury resort-style living community where every day feels like a staycation. Behind the gates of this thoughtfully designed community, residents enjoy a lifestyle centered around wellness, connection, and relaxation. Beautiful open-concept homes are carefully positioned to take advantage of serene nature views, creating the perfect backdrop for everyday life. At the heart of the community is The Venue, a gathering place designed to inspire healthy living and meaningful connections. Whether you're starting your day in the fitness center, joining a class in the movement studio, there's always something to look forward to. Lounge beside the sparkling pool, unwind in a private cabana, or meet friends at the Bahama Bar. For those who love an active lifestyle, pickleball, tennis, bocce courts, yoga lawns, and miles of nearby trails provide endless opportunities to get moving and enjoy the outdoors. One of the most appealing aspects of Esplanade at McKinnon Groves is its location. Situated between downtown Winter Garden and Claremont, residents enjoy easy access to two of Central Florida's most desirable destinations. Just minutes away, downtown Winter Garden offers a vibrant mix of local restaurants, boutique shopping, live entertainment, community events, and the popular West Orange Trail. It's the perfect place to spend an afternoon exploring, dining, or enjoying the area's small town charm. To the west, Claremont combines the charm of historic downtown Claremont with the natural beauty of its rolling hills and lakes. Enjoy local shops, restaurants, waterfront events, wineries, breweries, and endless outdoor recreation.
Whether you're looking for an active lifestyle, new construction homes, or a sense of community, Esplanade at McKinnon Groves is one to watch for.